I welcome you all for the video lecture in Python programming language. The Python programming language has its applications in every various fields in the present day today. So let's just discuss on few case studies. This presentation explores core computational concepts. It bridges theoretical knowledge with tangible programming examples. These are essential building blocks for aspiring developers. The value of foundational programs. Demystify paradigms, simplify complex programming concepts, practice fundamentals, master control flow and data structures, solve real world problems, translate needs into solutions, build strong base, prepare for advanced algorithms. Simple sorting program. The purpose is to arrange list elements in order. Example, bubble sort on 10 integers. Process compares and swaps adjacent elements. Output an ordered list is produced. Histogram program. Purpose, it visualizes numerical data distribution. Input, we give data set of numbers like exam scores. The process, it counts frequencies within defined ranges and output bar chart or text frequencies. So with the help of Python programming language, we can develop the visualization in the histogram format, giving the input the data set of numbers, anything that like exam score given as given here. Take an example like that, and we can process in various ranges, and we can visualize the bar chart at last to know the text frequencies and to come to the conclusion. And students' marks statement, the purpose is it generates detailed academic reports. Input data is the student ID, name, subject scores, and calculations are total marks, percentage, and grade. So the purpose of the student's mark statement report will be what it wants to generate an academic report. We give as input data the student ID, name, and subject scores, and the calculation part will be on the total marks, percentage of students, and the grades of the students. So, in order to generate such a thing, we can use the Python program and we can give the input data set and we can compute the total marks, percentage, and grade of an individual for the whole um, institution, and we can give the whole class marks and then whole school or college marks. Like that we can retrieve the data values. Then in retail bill preparation also we give as input the items quantities and the unit prices, and then the calculations will be on the item totals and subtotal, tax and grand total, and the output is the formatted receipt or bill that will be generated and that we can give to the customers. Common threads and key learnings. Data structures, effective use of arrays or list. Control flow, mastery of loops and conditionals. Here, the input or the output is interacting with the users or systems. Problem decomposition, it breaks the task into functions. An abstraction representing real world entities. Conclusion, building blocks for innovation is actually the Python programming is discovering many innovative things in the present day, and also in the future era we imply on much more on the Python programming language to come to a conclusion, to retrieve the data visualization, giving us input the data values. So first thing is solidify core logic. It enhances computational thinking skills. And then In the foundational steps, it leads to complex software systems, and then it empower developers. It create impactful applications. Thus, we come to the end of the session. I hope you have understood the concept with the case study, with the few case studies given. Let us discuss another topic in the upcoming video. Thank you all.